Your Worship, we can't proceed because there's no electricity, so we arrange, subject to Your Worship's approval, to roll the matter to the 11th.
Well, Parliament's Justice Portfolio Committee now says that it will haul the Justice Minister, Mamoloko Kubayi, before it to explain the ongoing electricity challenges here at the Alexandra Magistrates Court, as well as at other courts around the country. They've also bemoaned the conditions outside this court. SABC News understands that a number of cases have had to be postponed or rolled over. This is since Monday, possibly creating an additional backlog due to the fact that there has been no electricity.
We will certainly be raising it with the Minister on an urgent basis. When I go back to Cape Town, I will have a discussion with the chairperson of our Portfolio Committee. We will call the Minister urgently, and this isn't the only court that has a generator with no fuel. So either the generator is broken or there's no fuel. Explain, A, why these conditions exist both inside and outside of the court, because this is not acceptable. I mean, if you look at that road, there's a donga there that could swallow quite a large car. And the filth running down the road now because it's raining just means it's being transported from here to somewhere else, but it's not getting cleaned up. So these are not conditions where people should be living, and certainly not where you're trying to access justice. So that will be an issue.
A little bit earlier on, the case involving the son of Zimbabwe's former president, Robert Mugabe, that's Bellarmine Mugabe, as well as his co-accused Tobias Matonhodze, had to be postponed yet again due to an electricity shortage. This court does have a generator, but there's an understanding that it hasn't worked in a number of years. That's what some of our sources are telling us inside this court. The matter had to be postponed as there was no electricity, meaning that the bail application, which was scheduled to go ahead today, did not go ahead.
Yeah, it's quite disappointing. As I stated on Tuesday, we've been ready to proceed. We've been ready to proceed as far back as Monday last week, but of course we understand these things are out of our hands. We had spoken to the prosecution with regards to the procession of this matter, and it seems that at this stage we will be back in court on Wednesday next week. We hope that, of course, the electricity will be restored at that point.
Well, Bellarmine Mugabe and his co-accused will be back at this court on the 11th of March. Chriselda, SABC News at the Alexandra Magistrates Court.